Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manually import your bookmarks and passwords from Opera to Opera Air. If you're making the switch or want to move your data between these browsers, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, let's start with exporting your bookmarks from Opera. Here's how to do it. Open Opera on your computer. In the top left corner, click on the Opera menu. From the drop-down, select Export Bookmarks. Click on this, and Opera will save your bookmarks as an HTML file. Next, let's move on to your saved passwords. To export your passwords from Opera, open Opera and go to the Settings. You can get there by clicking the Opera menu and selecting Settings. Tap Password on Search Bar Settings. Click on Password Manager from the search results. On the left-hand side, click on Settings. You'll see an option to export passwords. Click on it. Opera will ask for your computer password to confirm the action. Once you enter that, your passwords will be exported as a CSV file. Now that you have your bookmarks and passwords exported, let's import them into Opera Air. Open Opera Air on your computer device. In the top left corner, click on the Opera menu. From the drop-down, select Bookmarks and then Import Bookmarks. You will be prompted to select the HTML file that you exported from Opera earlier. Once you select the file, your bookmarks will be imported into Opera Air. And that's it. All your bookmarks should now be available in Opera Air. You can turn on Show Bookmarks bar. Now to import your passwords to Opera Air. In the Settings search bar, type Passwords. Click on Password Manager from the search results. On the left-hand side, click on Settings. You'll see an option to import passwords. Click on it. Select the CSV file you exported earlier from Opera. Once selected, Opera Air will import your passwords, and you'll have access to them. That's it. You've successfully imported your bookmarks and passwords from Opera to Opera Air. It's a simple process once you know where to look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on your favorite browsers and apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.